We are following developing news involving a controversy over the Palisades wildfire after-action report. A bombshell LA Times report claims that Los Angeles Mayor Karen Bass directed the watering down of the report to downplay the city's failures. Anonymous sources say Bass received an early draft of the Los Angeles Fire Department after-action report and that she kept it until changes to key findings about the LAFD shortcomings were removed or softened. Now Mayor Bass is firing back, saying this claim is completely fabricated and questioning the source of the report.
There was absolutely no reason or desire that I would want to water down this report. What would be the purpose of covering up a report that I ordered? I ordered the report because I wanted the truth to come out, and I supported and continue to support the governor's effort. This is an independent report.
The LA Times also previously reported that the author of the report, Battalion Chief Kenneth Cook, declined to endorse the final version that went public. That's because of the changes made. He's saying it made the report highly unprofessional.